Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, I wanted to take a look at another pen set. And this particular pen set is the Tombow dual brush pens, or dual brush pen set. Now, not 100% sure about these because no one would ever accuse me of being an artist, but I do kind of like pens. So it says brush and fine tip in one pen, water-based and blendable. Alright, I'm curious about the blendable part. 2 tips, resilient nylon brush, blah blah blah. Tips self-clean after blending. Wonder how that works. Alright, let's open this thing up and take a look at it. If I can, figure out how to open it up. I think it just pops open. Maybe it pops open? Yeah. There we go. Pops open. Alright. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check out this set. It gives you 9 pens. 9 pens, and apparently this is the blender thing. So, let's take a look at this. Okay, so you got a big brush tip. I like that. It's kind of cool. And you have a smaller tip. Now, I don't know how much help I'm going to be in the blending department. I wonder if they mean blending like 2 colors at the same time, or if they mean so maybe I blend over that. Oops. I don't know. Any of y'all in the comments, let me know. I could easily, I'm kind of just playing with these pens, so I don't know how the blending part works. Maybe I use that blending pen. Let's grab the blending pen to try that. So what does the blending pen do for us? So we blend here maybe? Okay, I think I get it. So it kind of lightens it and sort of smudges it. So you can get, you have the darker center and then you have the around it. So maybe you could blend this to fill in, like, say, the center of the O, like that. Maybe I was talking about. Actually, that's kind of cool, really, the way it looks. I could see someone with some artistic talents doing a bunch of that. How is it self-cleaning, though? I don't know. I'm curious about the self-cleaning part. Alright, so let's take a look at these other colors while we're at it. So you have this is kind of a cool set of pens. And for the 9-pack plus the blender pen, it was like 15 bucks. So I'm like, that's not too bad. I can see the brush tips being entertaining because they kind of give you sort of like different options. I kind of like the yellow. I'm really interested in this green one, the darker green. So this is like, I don't know what you call it, split pea green maybe. So these are water-based. I mean, it isn't a bad set of pens, I don't think. I don't know about the water-based. the thing is, I don't have a great deal of use for markers in general, but I would imagine if you do, this might be a cool. Ooh, that's a pretty color blue. That's almost like a kind of turquoise blue. I like that color blue. I haven't been super crazy about any of the other colors except maybe the yellow one, but I'm liking the blue color. And then we got like a light purple and a dark purple. Does it say what it is? I'm guessing that's the color, maybe. All right. Wow, that's actually a pretty color of purple too. It was darker than I was expecting it to be. Kind of cool. And the last one. Wow, that is a dark purple. I don't know. I don't know if having the two ends is really worth the hassle or not. I kind of would maybe like a set of small tips and a set of brush tips, but I guess it's reasonable to combine the two. So I used this blending pen up at the top to blend the red. See what happens when I blend the purple. I'm curious if I get any of the red from there. It doesn't look like I am. It looks like I'm just getting the purple. Kind of cool. Anyway. It's interesting. Well, if I missed anything obvious and terrible, please let me know in the comments. Because, as I said at the beginning, no one ever accused me of being an artist. So, let me know what you think. And if there's some other cool pins that you think I should check out, you can let me know down there as well. Links for these are in the description if you want to check them out. I think it was 15 bucks for the pack. It's not a bad pack for a pack of markers, I guess. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.